Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable auto powering of your JBL Authentics 300 and also set the time of inactivity after which it will power off automatically. First, in JBL One app, select your speaker, then go to Product Settings, Auto Power Off, and now you can set it to 15, 30 or minutes or 1 hour, as well as never. And this time is the time of inactivity, so when you are not playing any music and the device runs off battery, then it will power off after this certain time. I will set it to 30 minutes. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.